There's something profoundly rewarding about creating beautiful home decor out of what others might see as waste. Scrap wood, the small pieces, discarded cuts, and leftovers from larger projects, holds a quiet kind of potential. To the average eye, these fragments might appear useless, but to a creative woodworker, they are the raw material for transformation. Crafting stunning home decor from scrap wood is not only an exercise in resourcefulness, but also a deeply satisfying kind of success that blends artistry, sustainability, and personal fulfillment. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning wooden crafts design ideas for home decor or income generating from scrap wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of this journey is the idea that value isn't always tied to the size or newness of a material. Success doesn't come from purchasing the most expensive lumber or building the largest piece. It comes from seeing possibility where others see limitation. Every piece of scrap wood carries a story. The remnants of a bookshelf, the offcut of a table leg, or the edge of a plank once destined for flooring. Instead of ending up in a burn pile or trash bin, these pieces become the foundation of something beautiful. That process of reimagining and reshaping is incredibly empowering. When one starts working with scrap wood, the first thing they learn is how to let the material lead the design. Unlike full-size lumber that can be cut to specification, scrap often comes in irregular shapes and sizes. This limitation forces creativity. You might start out intending to make a wall shelf, but the dimensions of the wood suggest a decorative candle holder or a rustic photo frame instead. Working within these constraints leads to more organic, inspired designs, pieces that feel unique and carry a certain raw elegance. In a world increasingly driven by fast production and consumerism, working with scrap wood offers a refreshing alternative. It's a statement that beauty can be found in the overlooked and that creativity thrives under constraint. It's also an environmentally conscious choice. Repurposing scrap wood reduces waste and keeps usable materials from ending up in landfills. Every project made from leftovers is a small act of sustainability, a way to honor the resources we've already consumed and give them a second life. The process itself is rich with meaning. Selecting the scraps, cleaning them up, sanding away rough edges, and joining them together feels almost ceremonial. Each step brings the piece closer to its final form, and with each pass of the sander or coat of finish, the transformation becomes more evident. There's a quiet joy in seeing a jagged offcut evolve into a polished, usable, and aesthetically pleasing object. That transformation isn't just about the material, it reflects the maker's ability to bring order, vision, and beauty into the world. Moreover, the projects created from scrap would often hold more personal significance. They're not just decor items, they're statements. They say something about the maker's values, about thrift, creativity, patience, and care. They become conversation starters in the home. A guest might ask where a certain wall art piece came from, and the answer isn't a store or catalog, but a story. That used to be part of an old cabinet, or I made that from leftover wood I couldn't bear to waste. These narratives add layers of warmth and authenticity to a space. This connection between maker, material, and result gives rise to a sense of pride that can't be bought. There's something incredibly fulfilling about decorating a home with pieces that carry your signature touch. A handmade coat rack, a rustic mirror frame, a geometric wall hanging. Each one serves not just a functional or decorative purpose, but also stands as a symbol of the maker's hands and vision. It's a deeply personal expression made visible in the space you inhabit every day. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. From a practical standpoint, working with scrap wood also makes woodworking more accessible. Not everyone has the budget for expensive lumber, but most woodworkers, especially hobbyists and beginners, have access to leftovers. Whether saved from past projects or scavenged from workshop bins, scrap wood provides a low-risk, low-cost entry point for experimentation. New techniques can be tested without fear of wasting materials. Mistakes become learning opportunities, and the low pressure encourages freedom and innovation. As skills grow, so does the potential to sell these handmade creations. Many buyers today are looking for sustainable, handmade, and unique home decor items. Scrap wood projects check all three boxes. They have a rustic charm that fits well with modern, minimalist, and farmhouse-style interiors. Selling such pieces at local markets, craft fairs, or online platforms allows makers to turn what once was considered waste into a source of income. This not only reinforces the value of their time and skill, but also contributes to a broader movement toward thoughtful, sustainable consumption. In fact, some of the most in-demand decor items, like wooden signs, candle holders, floating shelves, and serving trays, can be made almost entirely from scrap wood. With a bit of design sense, even small pieces can be glued, joined, and shaped into striking patterns and forms. Incorporating finishes, stains, or paint allows for customization, and each piece can be made to fit specific aesthetics or customer preferences. This adaptability makes scrap wood crafts ideal for both personal use and business. Beyond the practicality and profit, though, lies the emotional core of the experience, the fulfillment of giving something discarded a new purpose. It echoes a deeper truth about life, that often the overlooked, the broken, or the forgotten have immense potential. The maker who brings these scraps to life isn't just a builder of things, they're a builder of meaning. Each time they turn a piece of scrap into something beautiful, they affirm that beauty and worth can come from anywhere, as long as someone sees it and believes in it. This philosophy doesn't just apply to wood, it extends to how we view challenges, limitations, and opportunities in life. The deeply satisfying kind of success found in creating stunning home decor from scrap wood is, at its heart, a metaphor for transformation. It's about believing that no material is too small or too damaged to be useful. It's about recognizing potential, having patience, and putting in the care to bring something worthwhile into existence. So, whether you're a seasoned woodworker with a pile of leftover planks or a curious beginner looking to start with whatever's on hand, remember that there's immense value in the scraps. They offer not just material for projects, but lessons in creativity, sustainability, and gratitude. And in the end, when you step back and look at a beautifully crafted piece hanging on your wall or resting on your table, knowing it came from nothing but discarded wood, you'll feel a quiet, powerful kind of pride. That is the essence of true craftsmanship. That is a deeply satisfying kind of success. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning wooden crafts design ideas for home decor or income generating from scrap wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.